Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we are going to give you 5 more tips to make your children study. If you do not have idea, I have already made part 1 of this video. I'll be leaving the link in the description. I got huge response on that video and I am here to do part 2 of that video. So let's see the 5 more tips to make your children study better. First thing is to create a dedicated study space for your children. So the space around them when they are studying, it should be quiet and focused. So quiet and focused means it should be very quiet and it should be like motivating for them around the circle. Okay. The next thing is it should be organized and comfortable. The seat they are sitting on and the table that they are going to study on, these all things should be comfortable for them when they start to study. And the room around the environment should be organized for them. It should be quiet, focused and organized as well. So this makes them start the study very good with a good manner. Okay. Coming to the second point is establish a consistent routine. The first and foremost thing is a kid should be having a schedule. As a parent, you should be scheduling a particular time for everything. For example, a break should be some sort of time, and after the school you have this thing at this point of time and you should start your study hour at this particular time. From here to from then you should be scheduling a routine for your kid. The first thing is, as I have told you, set a schedule for your children. So this will be making you a consistency for your kid. The second thing is prepare in advance. Make the child know that this is your schedule and you should work on it like this. That doesn't mean you should stress on your kid 24/7 to study on books. Okay. Avoid distractions. When they start to study, please make sure to avoid distractions. For example, as a parent, when a kid is starting to study, you should not have a phone call before them, or you should not have using your mobile in your hands, because as a kid they'll be easily distracting. Not only kid, any person will be distracting if any sort of sounds are coming from beside. So make sure as a parent you should not use any sort of devices, gadgets like TVs, cell phones and everything like that. So make a peaceful environment for them. The next important point is encourage regular breaks for your kid. Breaks is such an important thing. So don't make your children study at a go, because this will not help any sort of kid. So there is a saying called, if you have a certain amount of break, then your mind will start giving more concentration for the next schedule. So the first one is refreshment is must. So we feel the refreshment is a very good thing for child to start coming back bounds with a more concentration. So refreshment is must for any candidate. The next one is improvement concentration. So these sort of breaks will start the kid to get improved concentration. So see, if they are studying for 1 hour at a stretch and if they get half an hour break in between, so they'll be feeling relaxed, and then again they can start with a more concentration later on in the next schedules. So make sure breaks are also really important for any sort of person. So kids is also needed. The next one is provide positive reinforcement. First one is praise and encouragement. So kid need a positive and encouragement phase where they'll be expecting some sort of encouragement and they'll be expecting to celebrate their success. Even though if it is a small one, start celebrating that success through the reward session, or it might be anything. Maybe you can give them a pen in front of 2-3 people, or you can clap them in front of their friends or someone, or at least start giving some compliments to them about their success. Even though it is a small one, start giving them compliments. focus on progress. So don't expect high progress within a day, okay? So progress is a very slow process where you can see the changes from the small things. It can take a year or it can take 2 years, but the small changes and the progress matters. If you start rewarding for them or encouraging for those small changes, the child will understand the importance of study and they'll be focusing more if you start giving a rewarding system for them. The next one is monitor the screen time. So this is a very must point for nowadays child. So you should manage the screen time for every sort of kid. So give them per day at least half an hour or 1 hour, not more than that. I've seen many kids are using like they'll be having phone in front of them while they're eating. They cannot eat without phone. So don't make these mistakes. Schedule a time for every kid that only 1 hour is your time. Maybe it can be half an hour or 1 hour, not more than half an hour or 1 hour. This is exceeding time, okay? 1 hour is much exceeding for a kid, okay? The next thing is collaborate with teachers. Collaborating with teachers will get to know what stage your kid is so that you can start improving there and that point of time. So you can stay informed, you can regularly have a communication with the teachers, and you can find the progress and the challenges where he needs the extra support, so that you can get to know from your teachers, and also you can share your progress to the teachers so that they can help you. Seek guidance. So from teachers you'll be getting guidance, and if you have some sort of issue you can share with them and they'll be guiding you with the right way or right path. And you both can work together to make a child in a greater position. So this is what the important thing. Celebrate the small victories. As I have told, even it is a small one, start rewarding them or start encouraging them for anything, like positive attitude. If they are failing in one subject, do not beat them or do not shout them. So okay, that's fine, let's see for the next time, but this time you should get more marks than before. So if you say in this way, they'll start, okay, my father or my mother is in this way, I should get good marks. So next time if I get good marks, I'll be getting treated with some sort of maybe pencil or chocolate or something like that, okay? Positive attitude is must from parents. The next one is motivation and confidence. If they are low, you should start giving motivation for them and you should be able to fill the confidence in them, okay? So this makes them be brave, okay? And that's all about the session. If you do like this video, please do like, do share and subscribe to the channel. And if you need more videos like this, you can please comment down in the comment section. I'll be doing more videos on it. Bye bye.